what did you learn?
So I've learned many new advanced Excel techniques like XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, and index matches, how to use macros, and many advanced Excel techniques. Then going into financial modeling, with we got to know that how we can prepare in-depth financial model from scratch of data to how actually we can invest into it. We have prepared several modules like FAM, DRS, and ratio analysis we will be doing, and we were also doing DuPont analysis for the same. And then we have also batches for Power BI where we have learned tags, we have learned how to clean our data while through Power Query, and we can how we can prepare several dashboards which will be more understandable to those individuals who are not from the financial backgrounds. And I have also learned from FP Anywhere. We have learned how we can do budgeting, forecasting, variance analysis, rolling forecasting, dashboard preparation, and KPI analysis.
How was the experience with placement support?
Was really great. I mean, it was a biggest question of me that whatever the knowledge I'm getting, how can I practically impose into to get a job? But I would give a huge shout out to the Financial placement team which they have taken care of. So I have gotten many calls from the companies, and before that they have make me ready to, by giving me several mocks. And I wanted to thank Akhilesh sir for the same. And they have taken several mocks and they have identified the problem where I'm lacking behind and where should I work on so that I get an edge on the interview rounds. So this is the thing which I can say that Finexcel do provide guaranteed placement, and nobody should never miss out. There's one more thing which I would like to mention, that my overall experience at Finexcel was pretty great. I mean, I'm very thankful for the people where I meet in Finexcel. They were very ambitious and they were very goal oriented. And there was very one more thing, like whenever we were having any doubts, so that doubt resolving session was very efficiently, if very less time consuming. And whenever we are having any doubts, within no time we can reach out to the person who can resolve our doubt within no time. So the clearing session and session for the resolving of your any necessary doubt within anywhere to the entire course, it was very efficient and to the point. So there's one more thing which I would like to mention, that entire ambience of Finexcel was pretty great and competitive too, and we were also getting personalized doubt resolving sessions. So if we are lacking behind of anything, they'll help us catch it up really fast, and it really does help us.